A mole can dig up to 50 meters of tunnels in a day, causing inconvenience for landowners. Luckily, mole traps are now more affordable. This particular spring-loaded trap costs just $17. Buyers should locate the active mole tunnels before setting up the trap. Sellers claim that it's faster, safer, and simpler to use compared to other similar products. The trap is said to be effective in all types of soil and can be easily deactivated thanks to a special button, and placed in another area on the plot. After successfully removing the moles, the overall appearance of the plot can be enhanced by planting new trees. This device will not only attract enthusiasts but also professionals like landscapers. To ensure the trees thrive in their new surroundings, they require support, which is precisely what this telescoping system offers. It easily attaches to the base, with adjustable lengths ranging from 25 to 38 centimeters, and features a padded ring to prevent any harm to the trunk. The only downside is its price of $17 without a post, although it does come with a flexible band. According to the manufacturer, this system is suitable for all trees with a trunk diameter of 5 centimeters or more, and the ring design allows for slight swaying, promoting the growth of stronger roots. According to the creators of this irrigation system, the future of lawn care is here. They claim it offers more relaxation, less manual labor, and potential savings of around $2,000 on water, equipment, and other expenses over an 8-month period. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? But that's not all. How about the convenience of quick installation within minutes and the ability to control it directly from your smartphone? All you need is a water hose and a Wi-Fi connection. With this system, you can configure watering zones through an app, and it even automatically adjusts to the weather. Additionally, there's an option to incorporate specialized units for fertilization, insect repellency, and air deodorization. Each unit covers a radius of 9 meters, and multiple units can work together or alternate based on water pressure. The price for a single unit stands at $340. Many urban dwellers desire to decorate their apartments with plants, but lack the time and energy for plant care. Luckily, there is a solution. This agricultural technology system caters to both hydroponics and traditional ground planting. The pots are eco-friendly, crafted from recyclable food-grade polymer, and they can be easily joined and separated. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth compatibility, the system can be controlled from a smartphone. The basic version has a 16-liter capacity, providing enough space for 30 to 45 days of automatic watering. Additional features like solar panels, lighting, and more are available. The basic kit, priced at $229, includes 6 pots for traditional planting and 6 pots for hydroponics. If you already have a collection of plants, even without smart hydroponic pots, this sensor can help you understand them better. Weighing just 20 grams, it monitors light, temperature, soil moisture, and nutrient saturation. The data is sent to the free Android or iOS app, which uses the camera to identify the plant and provides care advice. For optional placement, the pot height should be 10 to 15 centimeters. Replaceable rods are available, and the rechargeable battery lasts for 2 years. The sensors can be purchased individually or as part of a kit with a hub for easy connection to your Wi-Fi network. The price for a single sensor is $43. Introducing a clever and straightforward system from Germany, a handle equipped with a multitude of attachments. Want to spruce up your garden? No problem. Simply place a lamp or a flower pot. Planning a romantic dinner? There's a special accessory for candles. Interested in observing nature? Utilize the bird feeder and insect hotel. This system proves useful throughout the year, and its installation and disassembly require no tools. The ClickUp system ensures an effortless and secure attachment. Moreover, the special balcony clamp allows for easy mounting on both round and square balcony railings. The materials used are resistant to rain and UV rays. The price for the handle is $35, while the insect hotel costs $55. The creators of the Aqua system firmly believe in making outdoor water access easy. They highlight that existing solutions often lead to annual leaks of around 10,000 liters, resulting in costly repairs. Their solution is a simple upgrade. The valve remains securely locked by water pressure when closed, and to open it, a special connector must be inserted and twisted. This approach is both safer and simpler than using a traditional faucet. Moreover, the system can be installed in just an hour and can withstand freezing temperatures as low as -34 degrees Celsius. The primary material used is 316L steel, commonly employed in offshore details and chemical containers, while the connectors are crafted from Delrin polymer, a durable material frequently utilized in the automotive industry. The price for each kit is $90. When tending to your garden, juggling multiple tools like rakes, shovels, and hoes can be quite challenging. Luckily, the Root Assassin team has come to the rescue with their handy tool caddy that allows you to carry up to 5 tools with just one hand. Don't worry, the team's name is all in good fun. They humorously mention that they work with weekend warriors, referring to individuals who dedicate a couple of days each week to gardening. Installing the tool caddy on the wall is a breeze, and instead of a handle, it features a convenient strap. Additionally, the set includes interchangeable clips to accommodate different handle thicknesses. Weighing 2.3 kilograms, this practical tool caddy is available at a cost of $40. Did you know that 33% of households worldwide own a dog, while 23% have a cat? Many pet owners can attest that these furry companions enjoy exploring gardens and flower beds. That's why it's no surprise that Google offers numerous pages and solutions to queries like how to keep a cat out of the garden. Luckily, we have a solution in our selection. Mats with 2.5 cm plastic spikes. The seller assures that these mats effectively discourage cats and dogs from entering protected areas without causing harm to the animals. The material is flexible, non-toxic, and easy to cut. One of the options available is a set of 10 mats, each measuring 41 by 33 centimeters, priced at $30. Recent calculations by experts have revealed a staggering amount of waste discarded annually by US residents, surpassing 250 million tons. Greenpeace experts have raised concerns about the irresponsible waste management practices of US authorities. Thankfully, a part of this waste can now be recycled right at home with the help of this smart garbage can. This remarkable device operates like a stomach, employing special bacteria to break down the contents of the bin into compost within a time frame of 2 to 24 hours. Leftover vegetables, fruits, bread, fish, cheese, and other organic products can all be safely deposited into the bin. The process remains completely silent and odorless due to its triple filter system. It can handle composting up to 1 kilogram of food scraps daily. However, this awesome bin comes at a price of $500. Here's another versatile garden helper. This all-in-one tool comes with various accessories to suit different needs. It features a brush, a hedge trimmer, a saw, a brush cutter, and a cultivator. Besides, it operates on electricity, emitting no smoke and working quietly. The price varies based on the configuration you choose. For instance, a tool equipped with a 25cm saw attachment, a 2.5 amp-hour battery, and a charger is priced at $329. With a single charge, you can make approximately 70 cuts. Automatic lubrication is also available for added convenience. Thanks to smart power management and innovative design, there's no risk of overheating. Additionally, it has IPX4 protection rating, allowing it to work in the rain. The battery is compatible with over 60 other tools from the same manufacturer. In 2017, Turkey had a remarkable count of 14,000 hectares of greenhouses, an area equivalent to 20 times the size of San Marino. It's truly astounding to fathom the global scale of greenhouse numbers, especially considering their widespread availability for assembly by virtually anyone nowadays. These bulk-sold tensioners are a prime example. You can buy 500 units for $21. These tensioners serve multiple purposes, both within and outside greenhouses. For example, when working with chain-link fencing, they boast a maximum load capacity of 500 kilograms and measure 8 by 2.3 centimeters. The primary material used is aluminium, although a steel variant is also available with the same load capacity. Besides, other companies manufacture their own versions for clotheslines or 16mm thick steel cables.